Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we'll show you how to create a FAQ using a collapsible list on your blog post. Let's get started. On your blog post editor, go to the plus button on the left and then look for expandable list. Click on it to add that element to your page. Next, type in your question over here and type in your answer below. So once you click on this arrow, you can hide or show the answer. If you'd like to add more expandable items, just click on the red text that says add another expandable item here, and then write your next question and next answer to it. Basically, just repeat the process depending on how many um, questions and answers you'd like to put. And for more customization options, click on your element or your expandable list element and click on settings. And then configure the settings here according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on Save or Publish to save it as a draft or publish your changes to your live site. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.